any indoor pool. Mira makes multiple passes, navigating obstacles with tricks of leaves, air, dirt, and sand. Mira also has a fine filter that captures small nuisances like silt, pollen, algae, and bacteria as tiny as 2 microns. Unlike suction cleaners or pressure cleaners, Mira's active spray scrubber agitates the cool surface of Mira Moon. This allows Mira to scrub and lift dirt and calcium and bacteria, nasty stuff, off the pool floor and around, including the water line where oils and bacteria can build up. Mira diligently cleans every section of your pool, making sure not to tangle its power cord in behind walls and changes directions. And check this out. Mira's a stair climber. Its PVA wheels provide sponge-like traction on wall-fluid surfaces, especially slip pool surfaces like ceramic and vinyl. 2 quick drain valves allow water to empty out of the roll-off for easy, lightweight handling and driving going. Mira's top-load filter canisters are simple to handle. Just lift out the basket and remove the debris. Now it's time to enjoy yourself. The pool's clean, the robot's clean, you're ready to party. No work, no stress, just good clean fun.
Meet Roly Blocks, an intuitive and powerful way to shape music, whether you're a beginner or a professional. It's wireless, handheld, and lightweight, so you can take it anywhere. Blocks is a modular music studio, which means you can build as you go. This is the LightPad Block, your playable surface. This is the Loop Block, which makes it easier to layer sounds into a song. And this is the Live Block, which makes it easier to perform. All you need to get started is a LightPad Block and an iOS device. First, turn on the LightPad Block and connect to the Noise app. The Noise app is split into Instrument View, where you play instruments live, and Song View, where you play loops. Let's start in Instrument View. In Instrument View, you can access your tracks with this row of buttons along the bottom. This button will select the sound Dynamic Polysynth. This is a good sound to demonstrate how you can use intuitive gestures to play expressively. You can strike, press, glide left to right, slide up and down, and lift off. Now, let's play a song. In Song View, your 4 tracks are oriented vertically on the left. Let's start with this bass loop. Then, add some strings. No matter when you launch a loop, it will always start or stop at the beginning of the cycle. Go to Instrument View and try Hip Hop Groove Kit. With groove kits, it's easy to play great drum rhythms in time with the music just by pressing and dragging. Let's try recording it. The part I just played is now a loop in the first track. You can see the loop playing in both Instrument View and Song View. Now let's explore one of the live performance tools in Noise. Go to the synth track. This button accesses features such as ARP mode. Turn it on and listen to how it affects the sound. Let's record this as well. Play and explore by trying other instruments and recording more loops. You can turn off any playing loops by tapping them. The loops play out until the end of the cycle. Shape music and make it your own.